Hi there! If you've been using Google Drive and are now moving to SharePoint, you might be wondering, where do I find my files now? Or how do I share documents? Don't worry, this guide is here to help you understand what's different, what's familiar, and how to get comfortable with SharePoint quickly. Let's start with the basics. Google Drive is a cloud-based platform that lets you store files, organize them in folders, share with others, and collaborate in real time using Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It's simple, visual, and tightly connected to Google Workspace. SharePoint, on the other hand, is part of Microsoft 365. It is not just a place to store files, it is a full collaboration platform. It connects with tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Teams. You can build internal sites, manage documents, and organize your content with more structure and control. Now, let's look at what changes and what stays the same as you move from Drive to SharePoint. In Google Drive, you worked inside My Drive or shared drives, storing files in folders. In SharePoint, files live inside document libraries, which are shared spaces within a SharePoint site. Instead of opening My Drive, you will go to a site, like your team or departments, and find one or more document libraries where your files are stored. In Google Drive, your files lived in My Drive or shared drives. In SharePoint, you'll store files inside document libraries, which are part of each SharePoint site. To access them, open your team's SharePoint site and go to the Documents section. This is where files are uploaded, created, and shared. Organizing files works similarly in both platforms. You can create folders, move files, and drag and drop. But SharePoint adds extra power. You can view files in list or grid mode, and even filter or sort using metadata like tags or categories. This helps when you are dealing with a lot of files. In Google Drive, you clicked Share to control who could view or edit files. In SharePoint, you can still click Share on any file or folder. But now you get more options. You can decide whether people can view, edit, or even download, and choose if they need to be inside your organization to access the file. It gives you more control, but it's just as easy to use. In Google Drive, you worked with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. In SharePoint, when you click on a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, it opens directly in Microsoft Office. You can edit with your team in real time, no downloads needed. Your changes save automatically, just like in Drive. Google Drive's search bar helps you find files by name or keyword. In SharePoint, there's also a search bar at the top of the site. You can search within a specific document library or across the whole site. And with filters and columns, you can quickly narrow down your results. Super useful when working with big folders. Just like in Google Drive, SharePoint tracks every change. Right-click on any document and choose Version History to see who edited the file, when, and even restore an older version. It's a lifesaver when you need to recover past work. Here's something new. SharePoint sites are more than just folders. When you open a SharePoint site, you might see announcements, calendars, quick links, or other tools designed for your team. Use the left-hand menu or the home page to explore. Your files are usually under Documents, but there's a lot more you can discover. Here are some final tips to help you feel at home. Think of document libraries as your new shared drives. Use the search bar and filters to find files fast. Click on files to open and edit them. No need to install anything. Don't be afraid to explore your SharePoint site. It's built to help you work better as a team. And that's it. With this guide, navigating SharePoint should feel familiar and simple. Give yourself time to explore. It's different from Drive, but once you get used to it, it opens up a whole new way to collaborate. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.